I don't actually really know what we're doing.
Canoeing. We're going to Peak District, we're going to some caves, and we're going to do some climbing.
We still got another 2 hours to go, so.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high. We can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops.
I'm not sure I'm going
We can do it all over, rhythm's bringing us.
It was actually really fun, despite Jamie's constant complaining.
Look at that. It lasted about 20 minutes before I cracked it.
Wanna know what it feels like, yeah. We going up, we take it down.
Carrying the major
Baby, right here and now. Hey, nothing could be better.
Gorge walking, that's what we're about to do. Fix up job on my GoPro. Some sellotape, that'll waterproof it surely.
I don't like being like wet and cold.
She's gonna get wet and cold and we're gonna have to have an ear.
Roller coaster. Roller coaster ride.
It was the best out of all of this.
Starting off, I thought it was going to be a wet walk, but then it became like really good. I was really looking forward to climbing, and it was crap. That's the only word I've got for it. It was crap.
Hope it never stops. We could do it all over. Twin is bringing us closer. Superstar, you're like Nova. Oh, so incredible one time. Gotta let it go tonight. Wanna know what it feels like. Yeah, we going up, baby. We take it down. Oh, let's spice it up, baby.
I have been bitten all over. Look at my hands.
Nothing could be better.